Hello friends, welcome back to a fascinating video on Ashwa Old Coins. The Liberty Susan B. Anthony coin is a significant part of American history, both in terms of its subject, Susan B. Anthony, and its role in currency. Here's a comprehensive look at the history, geography, circulation, and uncirculated condition of the coin, including its proof and value. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was a U.S. coin minted from 1979 to 1981 and briefly again in 1999. It was part of an attempt to replace the silver dollar with a smaller, more practical version. The coin's design, like most U.S. currency, was influenced by various political, social, and economic forces of the time. Susan B. Anthony was a key figure in the women's suffrage movement, fighting for women's right to vote in the United States. She was one of the most influential American activists of the 19th century, and the coin bearing her likeness was intended to honor her contributions to social justice and equality. Obverse. Front. The coin features a profile portrait of Susan B. Anthony, designed by artist Frank Gasparro. She is depicted facing left, with her name, Liberty, and the year of minting. The coin also has the words "E pluribus unum," out of many one, and "In God We Trust" inscribed. Reverse. Back. The reverse design depicts an eagle in flight, which was adapted from the design of the 1776 to 1788 coinage of the Continental Congress. The reverse also has the words United States of America and dollar. The coin was minted at various U.S. mints during its production years. Philadelphia Mint, the primary mint for coinage production. Denver Mint, minted in Denver, often used to create coins for general circulation. San Francisco Mint, primarily used for proof coins and special editions. These coins were circulated throughout the United States, though they saw limited success in terms of widespread public acceptance. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was initially minted in 1979 with the intention of circulating widely, but the coin encountered numerous issues. Size confusion. The size of the Susan B. Anthony coin was very similar to the quarter dollar, causing confusion for people when trying to use them in transactions. Many people found it difficult to distinguish between the two coins. Public acceptance. Due to its confusing size and lack of popular demand, the coin did not circulate as widely as intended. Many people preferred paper dollar bills or the larger Eisenhower dollar, which had been minted in previous years. Low usage. While some of the coins did circulate, the Susan B. Anthony dollar was often viewed as impractical. The government halted regular minting of the coin after 1981, with only a brief return for a limited mintage in 1999. Coins in uncirculated condition, often referred to as BU for brilliant uncirculated, are those that have never been used in circulation. These coins typically show no wear or damage, keeping their original luster and sharp details. Because they were never in public circulation, these coins are often more desirable to collectors. Uncirculated Susan B. Anthony coins are generally in better condition and command a higher price than those that have been used in circulation. Proof coins are specially minted for collectors. They undergo a different, slower minting process, using polished dyes and specially treated metal to produce a mirror-like finish. The Susan B. Anthony proof coins were issued primarily by the San Francisco Mint in limited quantities. These coins are struck multiple times to create fine details and are usually sold at a premium price compared to regular circulating coins. Proof coins of Susan B. Anthony dollars are highly sought after by collectors and can sometimes command much higher prices. The value of a Susan B. Anthony coin depends on various factors, including the year of mintage, its condition, and whether it's a proof or a regular issue. In circulated condition, Susan B. Anthony dollars generally hold little more than their face value. These coins, if worn and used, might only be worth $1 to $3. In some cases, a heavily circulated coin might be worth only slightly more than face value. Coins in uncirculated condition tend to be more valuable. For example, a 1979 or 1981 Susan B. Anthony in uncirculated condition might be worth between $5 and $15, depending on demand and the condition of the coin. Uncirculated coins from 1999, especially those with S mint marks, indicating they were struck in San Francisco, can have a higher value, reaching $10 or more. Proof coins often have a much higher value due to their special mintage and limited production. A 1999 Susan B. Anthony proof coin, for instance, can be worth between $20 and $100 or more, depending on the market. Proof coins from earlier years, especially those in pristine condition, can fetch much higher prices at auctions or through specialized dealers. The rarity of certain years, mint marks, and specific conditions also impacts the value. For example, a 1979 S-Type 2 coin, which features a different design on the reverse, can be worth more to collectors because it is rarer than other versions. The Susan B. Anthony dollar, while not widely circulated due to size confusion and limited public demand, remains a significant part of American numismatic history. It serves as a reminder of the struggle for women's suffrage and the ongoing fight for equality. Coins in uncirculated or proof condition are valued much higher than circulated versions, especially those from limited production years. For collectors, the coin's historical significance and limited mintage make it a key piece of American coinage.